Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to request money on Skrill account. First of all, open up the Skrill application and log into your account if you haven't already. Also, make sure that you've completed any required verification and you know the recipient's email or Skrill ID. Now, after you are in the home page, click on the transfer button from the top of the screen. Inside transfer, go to the bottom and click on Request Money. Now, allow permission for your device's contact list to sync in with Skrill, or you can also tap on Payment Link at the top and then create a payment link on the page. Type down your payment link and then click on Create Link at the bottom, and then you will be able to create your Skrill link. Now you can copy the link and then share it with anyone that you want to request money from. If you have contacts on Skrill, you can directly choose the contact from your contact list so that you can request money to them. So that is how you can easily do it. Once the recipient accepts your request and pays, the funds should appear in your Skrill account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.